Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I want to unbox my brand new Beats Solo 4. I'm so excited. The original price for those headphones are $200, but right now everywhere you can find them on 50% off. So I got them from Best Buy, but you can find them on Amazon, Target, pretty much everywhere on 50% off. I think that's a good price. So $100. Yeah, so what I have here is the cloudy pink color, and let's see. Wow, I like the box. Has this cool and great design on it. Let's see what's inside. So here they are in a case. Here we have the instructions. Okay. So here they are. They look pretty good. It's pretty much more white than pink, I will say, but I still like this color. Yeah, so